Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, I really need to do a better intro. So this is gonna be a mukbang slash just trying some candies, and why not? Also, we're gonna have music playing, cause why not?
Tell them what we're eating.
Oh right, we're eating KFC. I should have ordered Panda Express for this video, you know.
I've never had Panda Express.
I haven't either, but I know it's probably good. We got a big box.
Thumbnail. Hold on.
Oh yeah. I don't know how to do a thumbnail. I gotta edit that out.
Girl, you didn't even introduce me.
This is my wifey, Kelly. I ain't gonna tell you her last name unless you want it.
No.
No.
They don't need to know. Girl, what is this?
It's tender.
This is so ghetto. Wait.
Wow, she called me ghetto. You want?
No, it's okay.
You want this?
Okay.
Do you like the buns?
They're called biscuits, not buns.
I call them buns.
Oh my god, no, they're called biscuits. At least there's 2 freaking mashed potatoes.
Also, Kelly's my guest because none of my other friends like their faces on cameras.
I don't either, but
Well,
fuck them.
in my Kelly. Also,
Trash.
stream Olivia Rodrigo's driver's license song. That's a bop. It's a bop.
Period. Is it good?
Well, I get it all the time.
Well, I get gravy, but I don't know. I'm nervous. This is my first time trying.
Wait, I know what it is. Nope. Nope. Oh, that was close.
No. You were right. You just missed the numbers. Nope. You did it.
Is that not right?
No.
What is it?
That? Nope. Nope.
Oh, Jesus. I don't know why I kept pressing that one.
That's good. I think.
What's that song? The weed song. I can't remember the name.
It's such a weird song, though. Why do you like it? Where'd you find it?
I honestly don't know. YouTube?
What?
The song?
I thought you said the song was called YouTube for a second.
Oh wait, I know what it is. It's Colt 45. Got it. It's Colt 45 Afro Man.
He was feeling his way down the street with this stick, right?
Wait, I'm gonna get copyrighted. I forgot. I don't want to get copyrighted again. Let's just lower it.
Copyrighted. You played Paramore twice. You're definitely gonna get copyrighted.
It was low though. Just, you know
Oh. All this? Oh my god. For $9? No thanks. Was it $9? Yeah, $9.
Colt 45 and 2 zigzags. Maybe that's all we need. We can go to the park after dark and smoke that tumbleweed. Singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the bong like cha-ching chong.
I can't imagine you vaping when you can't go up a flight of stairs without like huffing and puffing.
That's funny. Roll. What? Damn. Make my caddy wheel.
I would like some more flavor with this, but overall I give it a 5 out of 10.
More flavor. Maybe I'm just really hungry.
I have to dip it in my mashed potatoes to give it flavor.
That's the damn food right there.
Where'd you find this stuff?
Oh no.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't remember. I just found it.
hungry. I'm not hungry no more. No. I meant to say I'm not hungry no more. I have a small appetite.
Let me just try it.
Where's my fork?
In the bag. It's not bad.
Girl, who eats mashed potato without gravy? Wait, I thought this was bigger. Oh my gosh.
You thought it was bigger?
Yeah.
I mean, you could have asked for large.
Why would I do that?
It's huge. The large ones are huge. Oh, the 8. Nope.
We have determined that didn't happen.
That's the line.
I'll try this biscuit.
Bit my head with. We should ask each other questions
I like the
that you don't know about me. This song is so good.
What's your favorite season?
Season? Summer. The
Really?
summer clothing. Oh wait, no, scratch that. I like summer clothing, but spring is beautiful because of the flowers. The Japanese cherry blossoms. She said, "I."
Ask me a question, bro.
What's your favorite anime?
Attack on Titan. Either that, Attack on Titan, or Blue Spring Ride. I don't think you ever heard of it though. It's a romance anime. I love it so much. Or my favorite anime movie is Can I Eat? Wait, what's it called?
Can I eat your pancreas?
Yeah. How you know?
You talk about it all the time.
Oh, I do, huh?
Oh, wait, what's the one that you showed me? The one that made you cry? The voice one?
Silent Voice.
Oh, that movie was sad.
You saw it?
I saw the whole thing.
Good. It was good. It did make me cry though, but it's not my favorite. The other one I saw, was gonna say is Wolf Children. That light is flickering.
This one?
No, the one like behind.
Oh my god, what if we get attacked? I should I should not say that.
Okay.
To the bottom.
What's your favorite movie? Besides Harry Potter.
Okay. The Secret of Moonacre.
What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. You said what?
The Secret of Moonacre. It used to be on Netflix, but you know, let's go seasonal movies. Polar Express for winter, or Krampus. You know what? I'll put that for scary movies.
Polar Express is very underrated. No, it's overrated, but people really don't like it. And why? Like, it's a good movie. They just got no taste though.
I swear to God, nobody talks in that movie. Wait, do they talk in the movie?
Polar Express? What the fuck are you talking about? Oh my! You say it's your favorite movie, you don't know if they talk in it?
No.
I don't know whether to take you seriously or not.
That run I did though. Yeah.
Stand 2 p.m.
I'm gonna get copyrighted. I gotta play YouTube music behind this. It's gonna suck. Cause YouTube music.
All they hear is elevator music.
Elevator music. I mean, elevator music. Yo, it's too mainstream.
What was that? Hit.
Oh. Wait.
Oh my god.
Go to Hyuna. Let's just. I don't wanna. Oh my god. It's a little too hot in here, sweetheart.
It's gonna get cold.
I didn't put it too cold.
It's cold.
Wait, I didn't put this on repeat, right? Oh, flower shower is good.
I thought there was someone walking by and that's the shadow.
She's so beautiful. Stan Huna, bro. Oh, we should play Star.
Yes! Oh my
Stan
God,
Luna. Even though I don't listen to them that much. Kelly here does.
Stan Luna. Amazing. Talented. Everybody on TikTok is doing the BB trend. It's the BB trend, but it's just BB dancing to Russian roulette by Red Velvet.
Let's see. What's your favorite Megan Thee Stallion song?
That's a good
Now
question.
from the top, make it drop. That's so wet.
Girls in the Hood.
I like that song.
I like Megan.
All their songs are a bop. Though.
Yeah. This is the hard question. What's your favorite?
I should have brought that book of questions.
What's your favorite Nicki Minaj song?
Nicki Minaj. Grand Piano.
That is very unexpected. But I was listening to that today though.
I love that.
After years of not listening to it.
Because I love her singing voice.
The people are talking. Is that how it says?
The people are talking. You're right. It's turning cold. My mashed
Okay.
potatoes. Wait, it's Friday. I should film every Friday. Just every Friday, not even 2 days a week. Just one day.
You haven't posted in 2 months.
Yep.
After this, I'm going straight to bed because I worked all day. I'm tired. I'm surprised I wasn't tired during the whole day. Are you gonna tell them what we did the whole day?
Oh, we went to the mall. God.
Should we do a haul?
Shopping mall.
Oh my god, a mukbang and a haul. But
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
I'm too lazy to get the bags.
After we do our mukbang, we'll do a little shopping haul that we did.
Literally,
We got a lot of stuff.
I'm full. I feel like we didn't, to be honest, because
Yeah. Last week on a Wednesday, I spent $280 at the whole mall.
you're joking.
I spent $280 last week. It was a lot of money I wasted.
Girl, I really only have $30-something left. And you guess what? My paycheck was $281. And we just got our paycheck yesterday.
Yeah, we got a paycheck yesterday.
I only have $30 left.
You're gonna make me choke.
That's my specialty.
You know what's wrong with it?
Everything. That's a good question.
Wow.
What is wrong with you?
Everything.
that?
I never drink while I'm eating. I always wait. I don't know why I wait. I'm just so I'm like a vacuum.
A vacuum?
Yeah, I
That's
just
what she
eat.
said.
I just never mind.
Nah, I'd be too parched for that.
What a big word. I made brownies yesterday.
Oh, they're good. Where's the brownie?
I don't know where you put the brownies.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh. Oh, put them in a cup.
It's in a cup.
Next video is
Ghetto.
me baking brownies again.
Bake with me.
You should come over. Wait. That's a bad idea. It's a good idea for me.
Me and her mom got beef.
That's the tea right there. I don't know why.
Who is this girl that keep posting on their story every like 15 minutes? Not even like 15 seconds.
Paige Highland.
Who is that?
I don't know. I gotta unfollow people because I don't know half these people. So
But you have their notifications on.
they're probably from school. Wait. No, Highland. I don't know. Maybe she's a famous Paige.
No, because oh, maybe you just have it on. That's why. Because you probably got your notification.
Yeah, I don't know how to. Don't even touch the phone. You're gonna make the camera fall.
Probably. I can't talk. I'm surprised it didn't. Oh, I sound just like her.
Don't disrespect her like that.
I love you now. What you talking about? Look, there's a car parked over there too.
I really
so
want to know
cool
what's in
now.
that building.
What building? Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god, I thought the car was like gonna explode. What is that song?
I changed it. The next song is Dear Boyfriend. You should send it to me. Dear Boyfriend.
Oh, you know radio? Oh, that's a song.
Wait, I got the perfect song and it's by Boa.
Bola?
Boa.
Boa.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, don't disrespect Boa like that. You know my favorite Boa song is either Copy Paste, Hurricane Venus, or
the one
One Shot, Two Shot.
Nope, never mind.
One Shot, Two Shot. Or Fox, or Kiss My Lips, or
No,
Spring Rain, or
Atlantis.
I don't really like that. Well, I like it, but not that much. Or My Name. Don't wanna forget. You know that song?
No.
You don't know that song? I swear to God, you're like literally. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
I don't know that song. Just send me a lot of songs.
I'm literally about to pass out because I'm tired. My car is still parked, but it rotated.
You wanna do the clothing haul for them?
Oh, sure, but I don't know which bags are which.
That's a great question.
We're not doing the Victoria's Secret one.
Why not? You should have a video. You have a channel.
I wanted to make.
Comment down below if you should have a channel.
I'm like very entertaining.
I mean, like, perfection right here.
Period.
Period, cool.
You didn't buy anything from Newberry, right?
Nope.
So our first stop was Newberry. This is what I got. After years, not even years, months of trying to get this. A Levi freaking Funko Pop. This is my husband right here. And they have the female Titan, I didn't know that. And armor Titan. And they got Annie and Armin and Sasha and Cleaning Lady. All of these that I didn't know. What the hell? Oh my gosh. I have a collection of Funko Pops. Did you know that?
I'm not surprised. Oh! For Christmas, I got 2 Harry Potter Funko Pops and 1 Michael Myers Funko Pop. Those Harry Potter ones are lit.
Oh, those. Alright. Target. Because, just for one thing. Because I got these nice pens I've been hearing about. What's those beauty gurus do?
Yeah, they do that.
It's a lot though for $2, so I'm giving you some. I don't know where you wanted me to put it.
No, don't put it in the bag. Don't buy me that in the bag.
Literally, I can't even open it. How many does it come? 20? I'll give you 10. Wait, is it 20? One. I'll give you 10. Ow! Because literally all this for $2, not bad.
That was $2. Y'all want to see her cute little keychain? Look! That's cute, right? What anime is this from?
Demon Slayer.
This is from Demon Slayer, you
But
guys.
it's just like the mask is like a very popular mask from Japan, so I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. You got 10, I got 10. I want to write with it because oh, what the fuck is look? Ugh. I'm very disappointed.
That's cute.
Wait, I need a paper. I had a paper.
You can't write on your...
No, I can't. I had my paycheck.
Wait, write on this envelope.
That is not okay. Sorry. That's private information.
Oh, what's this? A gasket marker. Oh, you got a cute little package? This is cute.
I don't know.
Nope, that's Ezekiel's. Oops.
I'm disappointed, honestly.
We went to Ulta Beauty
Oh yeah, we did.
and I got this makeup bag and it comes with makeup included. It's really cute. Let me open it actually.
Really thought that it was a Harry Potter collection.
It only cost $10, right? Yeah. It was in the Harry Potter collection, but nothing about it is Harry Potter. It comes with this. I have no idea what the hell that is. But probably scrunchies, I don't know. Oh, look! I didn't even notice this the first time. It comes with makeup remover, the towelettes. Birth giver's calling.
Oh, that's my mom.
Birth giver.
Can we stop the recording?
Like, smush them together.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh look, I used that much already.
what is it?
It's right here.
Oh.
No, it's like,
Did you use it today?
yeah. I used it. It's right here.
Oh, damn. Oh, I see it. This. Oh yeah, you just got this. She got this really delicious smelling perfume.
She's so delicious.
Bro, it is. It's Versace Parfumette. Parfum. Same thing. Dylan Blue. It smells really delicious.
It does.
Back to me. Back to me. I got this little makeup palette. It's very small. But that's fine. Because it's a makeup palette.
You got more stuff.
I know. Hold on. I just want to put everything in it already. I got a baby beauty blender.
That is small.
I don't think I'm going to use this. It's too small. Maybe I'll use it for like, I don't know. I don't know how to wear eye makeup. I just don't. Let's see. What is this? This is liquid lipstick. It's very cute. I gotta get that, smushes everything. This is a lip crayon. I use lip crayons before. I use my sister's. Ultimate lashes. That is not how you. That's not how you spell that. That's not how you spell ultimate.
Oh, but it's like Ulta.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That's funny. Oh, this is a nice brush.
Feel it. Is it good?
Oh, that's very soft.
Alright.
Oh,
I guess it could be Jeffree Star approved.
Jeffree Star approved.
want this
a highlighting stick, which I know for a fact I may be using. It looks my shade. I'll have to try it out. Yeah. Wait, did I say my shade?
Yeah.
These are two face primers. This is matte eye primer, and this is the face primer. Okay, what else we got? Damn, everything's in this bag.
This is mine.
Oh, we gotta do beam.
Oh, you want to do the beam boozle?
Ooh, we could do it tomorrow.
If you want.
Yeah, let's. Okay.
I don't know if I'm hanging out tomorrow though. I don't know. I can't. I'm not 100% sure.
Oh, we could do this with Isabel. Wait. What time does she work tomorrow?
8 to 2.
Oh! We could totally do this. She's not gonna want to be on camera though. So maybe I'll blur her face if I know how to do that. We got the Bean Boozled. We might do this tomorrow. That's a big if. We would have done it today, but curfew.
Ugh.
Curfew. Okay. Oh, we gotta try this. We gotta try that today.
Dang, why can't I get my mints out?
Oh, this fell out of the.
You want mint? What
we got.
that?
It's Kit Kats.
But it's, look.
It's like mochi Kit Kat. I don't know. Okay, we are going to try. This is all in Japanese chocolate Kit Kat mini onsen manju flavor. That.
Let me see. I don't think I know how to read it.
I don't think I'll like it.
It means
I'm very picky. We all know this.
it means you're weird.
It means I'm weird. Very. This is what it is. We'll take it out of the bag.
You didn't even let them see it. You just said.
Okay. I don't film.
We got it at Hot Topic.
We got it at Hot Topic.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, next week, your girl will be seen with a skateboard.
Bro, that's like a bag of air. Do we have to heat it up? Wait, it says directions, does it?
Can we read it?
It's in English.
Where?
Oh, it's just ingredients. Never mind. I thought we had a. That cost $15.
It cost me $15 and it's a bag of air. Okay.
It looks cute though.
This is how it comes with. Oh, I should do makeup.
Have a break, have a Kit Kat.
Oh. Ew, why it look like that?
Oh my gosh, wait, we should do it at the same time now.
Let's just have one piece because I'm afraid I won't like it.
Oh my god, wait! Ew, it's so like.
It smells weird. Oh, I'm not gonna like it. I think I'm gonna throw it.
It smells like plants. Oh my god. Ready, set, go.
Nope. It tastes kind of weird.
I think you'd get used to it. What is the flavor again?
Onsen manju.
The fuck is that?
Oh no.
It tastes like plants.
You could get used to it.
Yeah. Why is it very melty though?
It's been in the car. It's in the car. The car heated up. I don't know. I'm gonna go home and
Huh? You like it? Imagine the Bean Boozled.
If I get snot, I'm throwing the whole game off. God, that is. It's not bad, but it's not good either.
That just made my whole mouth dry as a Sahara desert.
We got sugar daddies.
I never
The
got
candy. Well, I did. I have to add the candy in there.
Oh my god.
Wait, put your trash in here.
Oh, you ate it all?
Yeah. Well, I just left like one tender.
Eat it.
No, you didn't have.
Wait, that's mine.
Alright, that's yours.
Oopsies. You don't want the tender?
No,
You sure?
I'm sure.
You didn't even eat the biscuit. I'll take it.
I don't eat biscuit. Oh, right. I got the leather jacket. What else?
It was a cheap deal too. It was Victoria's Secret.
I thought it would have been 71, but I did my math wrong.
Nah, that was a good deal. And
It was like 50.
I want to go back. I want to go back for the.
If you're allowed
set.
to hang out with me tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. I mean when I get my check, cause I
Oh,
have like
right.
$30 left.
I mean, let's hope you can hang out with me tomorrow. I got this leather jacket. Why are we doing this
It's
clothing
good.
haul in the car? It's very cute. $58, I think.
No, what are we up? No, I think it was less than that to be honest.
That's Hot Topic. There's like 50 receipts in here. 52. Yep, $52.
But the original cost was $102.
Nope, 130 actually. It cost 130, but there was a 60% off sale at Victoria's Secret, and now it cost me 52. If I can get it back in the bag.
What else?
Did I buy anything in Hot Topic? I didn't buy anything in Hot Topic.
Yes, you did. The candy.
Oh, all I did.
Sorry.
All I did at Hot Topic was my candy. Oh, I went to Forever 21 and bought a $3 candle. I'm just gonna say the prices at this point. But it's cute. It's a holiday candle, apparently.
Let me see. You know what?
It smells a little weird, but you know what? I don't know what it smells like. It smells weird.
What'd you expect? It was $3. I don't know if it's the box or the candle itself.
Nope, it's the candle.
But $3.
It's the candle.
Can't trust Forever 21, to be very honest.
Only the clothing. Soybean wax.
Not even the clothing.
Vanillin. This cost me. Wait. Oh, wait. This cost me. Oh no, it
$3.
used to be 6, but they
Ha!
lowered.
It doesn't even have to be 3. Should have been like 50 cents.
And then at Charlotte Russe, I bought my mom a dress. It's red and cute. My mom looks good in red. You can't see it very well. Maybe if I get her to try it on for
I
me,
really like that.
I'll take a picture. Alright, you should show them that. While I get the next thing.
What Hot Topic? I got this. This is
Melanie
Cryberry.
Martinez.
This is Cryberry.
Cryberry.
Crybaby. And then I got a Sailor Moon pajama set. It's the most cutest thing ever.
Oh yeah. We went to. Oh yeah, that's really cute.
I love it. 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 I love it.
We went to Zoomies and I got myself a bucket hat. I gotta take an Instagram pic when I go home, and then I gotta take another one with the jacket. I feel like wearing this outfit to
Oh, that's
work,
fine.
but we spent the whole day in this outfit, so I gotta wash it. But I look so good. But this is a very cute bucket hat.
It is.
Also,
better than the one
if
at
y'all
Pet
can't see, I'm wearing my Slytherin bow. Can they see it?
Yeah, half of it.
Half of it. That's fine. Anything else?
Why is it?
I have my Victoria's Secret.
But it's very scandalous.
I was really cute too. Should we just do it?
I don't think so, to be very honest.
No.
Like, I wanna...
You want your Dr. Pepper back?
So I can actually taste. There you go. Oh, and I got this. Angelica bought me this. It's cute top that I hope it fits me. 'Cause she said to get a small, and look at this.
I bought her that, and it's a small. I told her to get a small.
And to explain why. Tell them.
I wanted her tits to be out, like just a little bit.
Oh gosh.
It's cute.
It is cute because it reminds me of that top of Jenny Kim from Blackpink. Jenny has it. Hold on. I'll show you. And I'll show the audience.
By the way, this is the Sugar Daddies. Obviously, if you know me, you know what this is. Because I talk about Sugar Daddies a lot. The candy. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Oh!
It's like the same.
Stan Jenny, bro.
Period.
Like, y'all can't even see that. But she.
What did she have? The black pants? Oh, we're creative. It's like leggings, right?
Yeah.
She had
Look.
leggings.
Yeah. I feel like you could wear that with my pair of jeans that I have on right now. They're black.
Look.
I should bring a. Wait. I should do an outfit change. Right?
Right now?
No. I mean, after work tomorrow.
Outfit change. I
Yeah.
hope this fits me. I really do. Like, I'm bloated right now.
Don't try it on when you're bloated.
I just hope I'm gonna sleep with the Sailor Moon pajama set. I know that.
I'm
It's gonna be real comfy.
What do they got as flavors actually? This costs $7.50. That was easy. Stink bug toasted marshmallow, dirty dishwater. Oh. Birthday cake. Let's hope we get that. Rotten egg, buttered popcorn, toothpaste. I'm fine with toothpaste also. I got mint toothpaste, so let's. Berry blue, barf. Gross. Peach, canned dog food, chocolate pudding, booger. I really don't want that. Stinky socks. I don't want that either. Juicy pear, tutti frutti, dead fish, spoiled milk, coconut and strawberry banana smoothie.
The only thing I'm worried about is the spoiled milk. No.
You don't want. I'm sorry. You want barf and booger? Oh my god, stinky socks too. My friend tried
spoiled milk. Oh my gosh.
Actually, never mind. That does taste disgusting. I should have gotten the bigger one. Actually, no. No, this is a good size.
Yeah.
Look at their faces. Wait. Oh, this is good. This is good. Let's. Wait. I don't know how to.
Does it include the spinner?
Yeah, it's a spinner included in
Oh.
it.
It took us a second.
Oh, it says 2 new flavors. Which one? Oh, the 2 new flavors are dirty dishwater and stink bug. What is being boozled? It's fun in a box. No, let's not read that because we're not doing the challenge today. I almost read it. Anyways, so go and take me home now. I don't know what time it is.
I'm like 9:30.
Oh, it's 9:30. Damn, we have half an hour. We could play Bean Boozled.
I actually don't want to play it though. I'm tired. I'm like very tired.
Yeah. Let's anything else now? This is just
I hope so.
okay.
Wait, you got everything though?
I feel like we got nothing. I bought the whole mall last week, so I feel like I didn't get a lot today. I spent a lot though on that jacket. That's the oh, I should have gotten the bear.
Honestly, I don't know. You have like $100 left.
My mom's calling. Let's just go.
You're not gonna end the video?
Okay. Goodbye, guys. This has been the video. I don't even know what we started this video. Mukbang. This was the mukbang video in the clothing haul. Every Friday I'll post. Maybe I'll post tomorrow. if I do, yes I will.
She won't.
If I do the Bean Boozle challenge tomorrow, then you'll see that video too. Nice seeing you guys after 2 months. I hopefully we'll post again. Mostly me. Probably you. You'll be my co-star. Anyways, you can turn it off now.
Peace.
Peace.